I wonder how many people fall off this a year. Yeah, there's got to be at least 1 or 2, mate. Go on, boy, you'll be sound. Just hold on tight. Now don't grab onto that stuff. Hold on.
Thanks, mate.
Yeah, man.
You sound now, yeah, you've done it. Nearly got stuck, but didn't. You're right there now, mate.
Yeah. Can you go before me?
Yeah, yeah. I'll show you what to do. Yeah? Just come down and just jump over.
Yeah, but
If you slip, you might not die down there, just break a couple legs.
you're not making it any better.
Yeah, sorry. Are you sure? Looks pretty sketch, that. Are you sure that's the one?
1, 2, 3.
Well, it wasn't that hard, was it?